Hello guys, welcome to the 16-day programs that we are waiting for. So today gonna be first day. So everybody get ready your notebook. Okay, record down everything that I taught and you have to learn from the very basic to the expert. So we have total 16 days, 16 classes. I will make a video and I will upload to YouTube. Okay, so you can watch it over and over again. So the first day, we're gonna talk about direction. How do you do entry? Okay, from here, I would expect all of you already understand how to open entry, how to close, and how to set TP and SL. Okay? So I will assume you already understand. Because this thing is very easy, and how to open account, that one is extremely easy. So you can find anything on Google or YouTube. There are so many people teach you how to do. So right here, I'm gonna teach you how to trade. So first day, I'm gonna teach you about direction. Where is the direction? So in trading, we only have two things to make it simple. So we only have buy, meaning direction going up, and sell, simple, direction going down. So only buy and sell in trading. So don't make it so complicated. In trading, we only have two options, to buy or to sell. Okay? So now, to buy, how do you want to buy? So in a very basic strategy, how to buy, you have to wait until you see what? Higher high and higher low. Simple. So higher high, higher low, meaning the direction is going up. Agree? So the direction going up, so we can find opportunity to buy, correct? To entry buy. Simple. So now, if you want to buy, we want a higher high and a higher low, correct? Now, when you see a chart something like this, okay? So, this is a trend going up. The price is going up. You're looking to buy. But where should you buy? This is a very basic thing you have to learn. Okay? So you have to mark where is the high and the low. High meaning this top of the mountain, meaning this is a high. And this is a high, correct? And this will be the low. And this will be low. Correct? So the high getting higher, meaning higher, high. Okay, the low getting higher, meaning higher, high. Simple? So now, for buy, we want higher high and higher low. Now, where should you entry? That is the most things that trader don't know how to trade, but they know how to spot the direction. So now, this will be the higher high, correct? This will be the higher low. So where should be the zone? This is a low and this is a high, okay? So where should be the zone for you to entry? Will be here. Simple. You just connect, okay? You just connect this higher high with this higher low, and then you form a rectangle, and this will be your zone to entry. Buy. Simple. So when the price, okay, when the price come to our zone, you can press buy, you can entry with the SL below this box, this zone, okay? SL is below this zone. So you put your SL here. TP doesn't matter. TP you can put 1-to-1 risk ratio, or you can directly set your SLBE, meaning your SL, okay, for example, you entry it here, okay, and then when the price is moving upward, you're running 15 or 20 pips, you can set your SL to SLBE. So if the price drop, hit your SLBE, you won't get a loss. Understand? So this is a very common and very standard basic knowledge that you have to learn. So this is the way how you draw your zone. Okay, now we look at sell example. How to sell? Same thing happen here. You have to classify. If you want to sell, how do you sell? What is your way? What is your strategy? What is your technique? So to sell in very basic in trading, we have to find lower low with lower high, correct? This is a power going down. Okay? So you have to find a chart something like this. Okay, so where is the zone for you to entry sell? You have to mark down the high and the low. So this will be the high, correct? The top of the mountain, and this is a high. And where's the low? This is the low. And this will be the low. Now, where is the lower low and lower high? So this will be a low getting lower, lower low. A high getting lower. This is a lower high, correct? So where is your zone? Your zone should be connecting this low and this high to form a zone for you to sell. Then your SL should be above this zone. You set your SL here. Simple. So when the price come to our zone, you can try to sell with your SL. So if you enter here, the price drop and you're already running 15 to 20 pips, you can choose to close your order, or you can choose to hold with SLBE, meaning this SL you have to move it to the place you open entry. So this is called SLBE, SL break even. Okay, so this is how you do it. How to know the direction and how you do it. And this is the first day and the most important class that you have to learn. Okay, so make it simple. You only have two things: buy or sell. Simple. So don't make it so complicated. Now let us go for some revision. So to buy, you need to find higher high plus higher low. Okay, to sell, you have to find lower low and lower high. Okay, make a note. And this will be your homework for the first day. Simple? Okay, now, to identify high and low, there will be some method. Not everything you can mark it as a high, not everything you can mark it as a low. For example, I give you a chart something like this. Okay, so where is the high and where is the low? You cannot mark all of this as your high. No. So there must be some way and some rules for you to follow. Okay, for example. Okay. In situation here, you have to find breakout or breakdown. Okay, breakdown or breakdown. That will be the important part in finding the correct or the valid high or low. Let's say here, the price breakout higher, meaning this will be a valid low. Valid low, okay? Valid low. So, every chart is a combination of a high and then low, high, low, high. Chart sequence will be like this. No high, high, and then low, low, low. No. This must be one high, one low, one high, one low, one high, one low. Understand? So this is a valid low. When this is a valid low, meaning the previous one will be a valid high. Okay? So this is a breakdown. The chart drop and break this low, meaning after break, this will be the valid high. Okay, break down to form a lower low, meaning this will be a valid low. So when this is a valid high, meaning the previous low will be a valid low. Okay? So you can find this. Where is the good low and good high? This is your way of doing. So if you chart something like this, where is the valid low? This will be the low. Okay, this will be the high because from higher high, this here we have a breakup. So this is a valid low. This is a good high because of higher high. And then this one is not a good high because it's within the range of this one. So this is not a valid high, not a good high. Okay. And then this one is still in here to form a higher low. Okay, but this low is not a good low because no breakout happened. So in this case, the price will be in the consolidation until you see the price break down here. Okay, this is a breakdown. Can you see? When you see a breakdown here, meaning this is a good high and this is a lower low. So in this case, we will look to sell more than buy because of the, okay, I changed the color. This is a valid high. Okay, and then the low being break. Okay, lower high, lower low, meaning we're looking to sell more than buy. So very simple, you have to draw your zone. Okay, you have to draw your zone connecting. Okay, connecting the lower high. Okay, sorry. Connecting the lower high here and the lower low here to form a zone. So you can entry, sell in the zone here. So SL will be put above your zone. Simple. So this is how you do it for the first class. We don't use indicator. Indicator is just a tool to help you in naked chart analysis. You don't depend on indicator. Okay, indicator is used to help you to do analysis in naked chart. Understand? So to make your trading skill better, you have to use naked chart. And that is the pro people where the good trader they used to be. Okay? Okay, so where is the high? This will be the high, correct? Okay? This will be the high. Until the breakdown, this will be your zone. If the price reach in our zone, then you can sell. Okay, and then this is a lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so you have to mark. For the first day homework, you open up your chart and then you try to find your high and your low. And you try to do it by yourself. Try to spot something like this. This is a high, this is a low. And then this is the higher high. This is a higher low. So you have to draw your own zone to make sure you understand the technique. You understand the chart. So chart actually is not that hard to learn. But you have to be patient in learning something new. So this is a higher high. This is a higher low. So we connect these 2 points together to form a rectangle. Now, your zone will be here. So when the price come to your zone, okay, as you can see, the price come to our zone, so you can try to look for buy, and then you set your SL below the zone. So this is the first day that you need to learn. Okay, so for the second class, I will teach you how to draw a proper zone using engulfing theory. So this big zone, you can make it become smaller. Okay, maybe you can make it become smaller, like say above one and the lowest one. You can make it become smaller and you can mark the very precise zone by your own. Just the day 2 class. After you at the day 2, I will teach you how to do it. So your zone can be super precise. Okay, not depend on the other signals. Okay, some of the seafoods, they don't even know how to trade properly. They trade blindly without confirmation. So this is just a technique. I want you to mark it. Okay, not ask you to entry directly using this technique, but I want you to mark it and try it on demo account or maybe a small account. Let's say $50, $100 account. Okay, and then day 2, I'm gonna teach you how to draw ultra precise zone, and the third days I will teach you how to use confirmation. After the third days, you able to trade as a trader by your own. Okay, I totally have 16 days program for you to attend for free. If you cannot attend, doesn't matter. I will make a video and I will upload to YouTube viral and give everybody to look at it and then watch it over and over again and to learn about trading. This is the true way of trading. Okay, so that's it for today. For today's homework, you have to mark it. So once again, buy, you have to find higher high with higher low. Okay, to sell, you have to find lower low with lower high. And then you can make your zone. Okay, you can make your zone. And then you can make your zone. And you can set your SL. Okay, this is the proper way to follow the direction. Okay, so keep in mind, I will upload the day 2 videos after the video has been done. Okay, thank you everybody.